Hey everybody, Tam here with Tams Essentials. I just wanted to reach out today to share 3 cool things about doTERRA essential oils with you. First off, they are safe. They are natural and beneficial without side effects. They also come from plants, and so they have amazing health benefits for our bodies. They are CPGG certified, which means that they are potent and pure. They are guaranteed to be free from contaminants, fillers, and artificial ingredients, and also adulterations. They are effective. They actually work down at the root of the problem, helping us with our health challenges. And so they can actually permeate down into the cell membrane and affect something that is threatening our body in the cellular level. They are affordable. We spend $6.5 trillion a year in global healthcare, and we're not any healthier. Essential oils are just pennies per dose, and they save us some money, and they also help us to live a more natural lifestyle, ridding our body of contamination and toxins. We're going to talk a little bit about peppermint, which is one of our top essential oils. It is very energizing. It helps to promote clear breathing, it's cooling to the body, and it also helps to relieve head tension. It is also able to be used aromatically by putting it in a diffuser or putting a drop in your hand and just cupping your hand and breathing over your nose. It also is really great topically by rubbing it into your aches and your pains, and it's really great internally as well. So you can drip this into water, you can make a tea with it and add a little sweetener. It's just an amazing, amazing oil. Our doTERRA On Guard is our immune and protective blend. It helps to support our body, it helps to soothe irritated throats, and it helps to clean. So you can use it to clean your home, clean your hands. You can put it inside your mask to help keep your masks clean and to kind of guard you against the environmental threats. Our next most popular oil is lavender. Lavender is one that you can also use aromatically in a diffuser, cupping, breathing over your nose, putting in your mask. You can use it topically, putting it to your body, anywhere that you can want to put it. And because it's edible, you can even use it on like gum, like teething babies. Definitely dilute it down though. But it's really good for your skin, and it calms your mind, and it's very soothing and relaxing. The 3 ways that we use doTERRA oils is how we just talked about. Like, we put them in our home, we diffuse them to keep our air clean, we use them to open our airways and to promote a positive mood. We also apply them topically to affected areas for localized benefits. It's best to use it with fractionated coconut oil, because fractionated coconut oil helps to weigh down the molecules so they don't evaporate so quickly, and then it also helps to push it deep down into that cellular level. Internal is also a fantastic way to use doTERRA's essential oils. They can be used in a cup of water. Make sure you're using glass, never plastic or styrofoam, because those are chemical based. You can put it into a veggie cap, or you can drip directly under your tongue depending upon the oil. We wouldn't want to use something that's a hot oil like oregano directly under your tongue, but something that is a little bit less like copaiba would be perfect, or frankincense. Okay. We also have other oils that I want to go over. I did mention frankincense, so I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. Frankincense is our king of all oils. It is one that promotes calm fillings. It helps to support a healthy nervous system and helps to promote optimal cellular health. Digestion is an oil for tummies. So upset tummies, motion sickness, nausea, those are things that occur occasionally, and the digestion is a fantastic support oil for that, along with peppermint. Breathe is our respiratory blend oil. It is an aromatic and topical oil, so you don't eat this one or use it in any gel caps internally. This one is going to be used to promote healthy airways and clean air and help you to breathe, and it's perfect for diffusing at night, especially if you have a snorer, that will help with that. Lemon oil is one we can use aromatically, topically, and internally. It's a really good cleanser, so you can use it as a cleanser for the body, and you can also use it for a cleanser for your home, for your surfaces. Wood loves lemon. You can take gum out of hair with lemon. There's just so many things you can do. I like to use it in my laundry and my dishes, like you name it. We use so much lemon. Deep blue is for muscles, aches and pains, joints, and soothing our discomfort. So this is going to be an aromatic and topical oil that you use, and you basically rub it where it hurts, top it with some coconut oil or mix it with coconut oil for longer and deeper penetration. Wild orange is an amazing oil for energizing and uplifting. It is an aromatic, topical, and internal oil, and it is very good for uplifting the energy and the mood in a room. So perfect time to use it. Is also one that can be a good cleanser as well. So 3 ways to purchase doTERRA products. We have retail, which is the most expensive way. Only pay retail in a professional setting like a doctor's office or something, or a spa. What I like to do is I like to teach people how to get wholesale pricing, which is the best way to get your products. It's like Costco or Sam's Club, where you get to save and get by getting at the wholesale pricing. So doTERRA's wholesale pricing is 25% below retail, and it comes with a $35 membership. That's it, guys. $35. That is so inexpensive for 12 months of natural health care. Third, which is the smartest way, is to get your oils below wholesale by either activating your $35 membership fee or starting with a bundle box that's going to help you to get a free membership. Okay, it's an amazing deal when you get a bundle box because they actually price them below wholesale and give you that membership for free. We have 3 ways that you can participate in doTERRA. One, you can live a wellness lifestyle, which is our goal. This is what we want for everybody. We want an oil in every home. We want a natural solution and a natural tool in every home. We want you to live a natural wellness lifestyle. Second, we have people who want to get their products paid for. So these are people who want to share the gift of doTERRA with their loved ones and help them live a natural wellness lifestyle. Then we also have the opportunity to build a residual income and make an impact by sharing doTERRA as a business and continuing to do the same thing that we're doing to begin with, living the lifestyle, telling people about them, and then we get rewarded. So think about your top 3 wellness concerns, and we will have a wellness consultation when you enroll with me and join my team. I can set up you a individual consultation and we can do a wellness plan for you. So think about your top 3 concerns. Let's get together and connect and make sure that you have natural solutions at your fingertips.